my tip is the effortless soft tissue retraction using the Swallowtail Hohmann retractor. So you may know it, if you have to dissect openly the lumbar spine, it sometimes really needs a lot of efforts. You may use a cup, you have to retract or push the soft tissue, which, as I said, needs a lot of force. However, with the Swallowtail Hohmann, you can do that rather easily. The Swallowtail Hohmann is especially like a swallowtail-shaped Hohmann, made actually by George Hohmann, a former orthopedic surgeon working in Frankfurt as well as Munich, was born in 1880 and died in 1970. He was called the master of surgical techniques. He invented the Hohmann, which has usually one hook, but this one has two hooks, and I will show you how to use it. So when you open the skin, you may use your cup retractor and you may slide along the laminar and push it gently away. So after you have dissected the fascia, use your Hohmann, push away until you reach the lateral aspect of the facets, whether it's on your side or on the other side. And then you can just easily place the Hohmann retractor behind or laterally of the facets. And then you can hold the soft tissue just with one finger. So your assistant can do it. You can do the same at the next level, slide and push the soft tissue away laterally, and again use a second Swallowtail Hohmann retractor and place it laterally. So by this you can just easily open it up, so without any efforts. You can do it on both sides, and therefore you save your energy for the later surgery you have to perform, whether it's decompression or putting in the screws.